Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. Alright guys, in this video I would like to share you a tutorial on how to turn on gesture navigation on Poco M7 Pro. Alright guys, for those of you who want that your screen of your cell phone become more wider, or you want to your screen of your cell phone looks wider than before, so now you can choose about a tutorial on how to turn on gesture navigation so that it makes your screen looks wider than before. Alright guys, the first thing first that you have to do is, of course, now you can go to the settings menu on your cell phone like this guys. And then after that, now you can scroll down again and go to home screen menu guys. And then after that, now you can go to system navigation, and then now you can switch to gesture, and then now you can learn on how to navigate by gesture navigation. And then now you can follow all of the instructor, and as we see together that the system will taught us on how to navigate with gesture navigation. Alright guys, here's the tutorial on how to turn on gesture navigation, and then thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video. Bye bye.